Hari Prasad is saying equity or debt funds, which we must choose to invest. Risk and returns are more in equity, at debt funds return similar bank deposits. Could you share your view on this topic? See, I think this depends on your asset allocation strategy. This is based on your investment goals. So whenever you make an investment, you make because you have a goal. These goals can be: I'm planning for my retirement, I am planning for my kids' education, or I'm planning for my house construction or house purchase. I'm planning to buy a car. I am planning to start my own business. So, based on these goals, you make these investment decisions. That would in turn decide how much you really want to allocate for these goals. Once you decide how much to allocate for these goals, then you'll have to decide what is the time horizon, which means purchasing a car 12 months from now. You can probably go with an RD or a debt fund. Probably purchasing a house in about 3 to 4 years. You can go for a large cap mutual fund. Retirement can be a mix of large cap, mid cap, and even a small cap, because it's a very long, time horizon. It is up to about 20, 25, 30 years, depends on what age you plan. Kids' education, this is something which is going to happen after 10 years, 5 years. Accordingly, you can plan. So this is something which I've taught in Financial Freedom course. Those who have watched Financial Freedom course in the Financial Freedom app will know that how it works. So please start using it. It's important.